Hi, grade 9 special mathematics class students. Today let's learn how to solve systems of linear equations by elimination. Elimination method. So before that, let us first have a warm up. What's your answer for number 1? Simplify. 3x plus 2y minus 5x minus 2y. What's your answer? Correct. The answer is negative 2x. 2y will be cancelled. Yes. So the 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. How about this? Number 2. 5 times the quantity x minus y plus 2x plus 5y. Okay, so it will become 5x minus 5y plus 2x plus 5y. Okay, cancel na naman yung y. Add natin 5x plus 2x, 7x, right? How about here? What is the LCM of 3 and 6? Yes, what's your answer? The answer is 6. 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. How about 4 and 10? What's the LCM? Correct, 20. 20 is the LCM of 4 and 10. So these are the essential objectives for this topic. Solve systems of linear equations in two variables by elimination. Compare and choose an appropriate method for solving systems of linear equations. So solving systems of equations by eliminations, here are the following steps. Write the system so that like terms are aligned. Eliminate one of the variables and solve for the other variable. Substitute the value of the variable into one of the original equations and solve for the other variable. In step 4, write the answers from steps 2 and 3 as an ordered pair and check. Okay, these are the 4 steps in solving systems of equations by elimination. Let's start now. Here, first problem. Solve 3x minus 4y equals 10 and x plus 4y equals negative 2 by elimination using addition. So yes, we can now add this because if you add this, y will be eliminated. Okay, positive and negative kasi. So y will be eliminated, so you can add now 3x and x. That's equal to 4x. Yes. 0 na yon. So cancel. You can cancel. So 3x plus x, 4x. 10 plus negative 2 is 8. Positive 8. So equate na natin yung 4x equals 8. Divide both sides by 4, which is 2. So we have already solved the value of x, which is 2. Then it's time for us to solve for y by substituting this value of x to equation 1 or 2. You choose only one of the equations to substitute yung x. So write one of the original equations. So x plus 4y equals negative 2. That's actually equation 2. And then substitute x by 2. 2 plus 4y equals negative 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. 4y equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 4. Y equals negative 1. So therefore the solution is 2, negative 1. And then last step, check natin. Ay, hindi na na-check, no? Walang checking dito. So it's your turn to check whether the solution to negative 1 is really a solution of the system of linear equations. Okay, let's just try for 2, negative 1 for this equation. We have 2 plus negative 4 is correct, negative 2. Let's try yung other equation, 2 negative 1, diba? Ito, 2 negative 1 here, 3 times 2, negative 6. 6 plus 4, 10, tama. 10 equals 10. So, how about this? Y plus 3x equals negative 2. 2y minus 3x equals 14. So again, you can be able to cancel x variable, so that we can add 2y and 2y, negative 2 and 14. Yan. Y plus 2y is 3y. Negative 2 plus 14 is 12. Then 3y equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. Y equals 4. So after solving for y, let us now solve for x by substituting the value of y to equation 1 or equation 2. Let's use y plus 3x equals negative 2. Substitute 4 in y. 4 plus 3x equals negative 2. Then subtract 4 from both sides. 3x equals negative 6. Because 2 plus negative 4, I mean, yes. Yes, 2 minus 4 is negative 6. So divide both sides by 3, negative 2. Therefore, the solution is negative 2, 4. Negative 2, 4. Let's substitute this to each, yes, to the two equations. So, we have here equation 4 plus negative 6. 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2, correct. And for the other, ito 2y minus 3x. Ano yung x natin? Inhutan ko yung x natin ay negative 2. X negative 2, y is 4. So 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 6. So 14, tama. 14 equals 14. So our answer is correct, negative 2, 4. Next, using elimination. Elimination using subtraction. Okay. Wala tayong ready-made na maka-cancel dito, so we're going to subtract 2x and x. So step 1, subtract natin. 2x minus 2x is 0. Yun. So meaning to say, when we're doing elimination using subtraction, multiply equation 2 by negative 1. So that it becomes negative 2x plus 5y equals negative 13. That now we can cancel x variable. Then add y plus 5y, 6y na yan, equals negative 18. Divide both sides by 6. Therefore y equals negative 3. What is x? Substitute y equals negative 3 to each of these two equations. Let's choose 2x plus y equals negative 5. What is y? Negative 3. Yan. 2x plus negative 3 equals negative 5. Then negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. 2x equals negative 2. Divide both sides by 2. X equals negative 1. So the solution is negative 1, negative 3. Let's substitute negative 1, negative 3 here. Negative 2 plus negative 3. Negative 5. Tama. How about in this equation? Negative 2 plus 15. Tama, 13. So in some cases, you will first need to multiply one or both of the equations by a number so that one variable has opposite coefficients. So what will we do here? I think we should multiply x by 3 so that we will cancel x. Or we will multiply equation 2 by negative 2 so that this will become negative 2y. Cancel y naman. So in this case, I will multiply negative 2 to equation 2. So that will become, okay, na, yeah, 6x, equation 2 will become 6x minus 2y equals positive 10. Then we can now eliminate y variable, then add x and 6x, 7x, 11 plus 10, 21. 7x equals 21, divide both sides by 7, that's answer is 3. Now solving for y, substitute the value of x, which is equal to 3 to each of these two equations. Now we choose x plus 2y equals 11. Substitute x by 3. 3 plus 2y equals 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. So 2y equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals 4. Therefore, the solution is 3, 4. Let's check. 3 plus 8, 11. That's correct. 3, 4, diba? 3, 4. How about you? Negative 9 plus 4. That's correct. That's how we use solving systems of equations by elimination method. So these are, okay, yeah, we have here. When do we use graphing? So when both equations are solved for y, you want to estimate a solution. Right. And when do we use substitution? A variable in either equation has a coefficient of 1 or negative 1. Both equations are solved for the same variable. Either equation is solved for a variable. And when do we use elimination? Both equations have the same variable with same or opposite coefficients. A variable term in one equation is a multiple of the corresponding variable term in the other equation. So for your quiz, answer numbers 1, 2, and 3. Show your work for full credit. So complete solution for numbers 1, 2, and 3. Solve this system. Each system by elimination method. So you can screenshot on this part And I will give now the answer, only the solution. Show the solution lang ang kailangan. For number 1, the answer is 11, 3. For number 2, 2, negative 3. Negative 3, negative 7, the answer for number 3. So, thank you for listening. Yan, show your work for full credit. So, I'll see you in the next lesson. Solving systems by substitution method. Thank you, goodbye.